All right, Chris, this is your machine. I waited till today to ship it out so I could make a couple of videos. The way you're going to set this up is I've got it set for this oxygen bottle here. It's probably going to be pretty close to maybe your 3 ounce or your 3 liter. So the way you do that to get this set right, I've got this set at about 4 inches. And what that does when you put this into the machine, this is a very important setting. You can see right there that it never touches this separator plate. The bottle never touches. It's about an 1/8 inch of a gap there between the separator plate and the bottle. You need to have that consistent. So I would never move this plate because it's right over the center of your roller there. And then that leaves you an 1/8 inch gap between here. So the way you set the height, where you want the label on the bottle, is going to be back here on this back roller. Now when I've got it set up for this, I would make a mark right there, and that's going to set it at about a 2 1/4 inch off the thing. You can set that wherever you want, and that's by, if you want it higher on the bottle, you move it to the left. If you want it lower on the bottle, you move it to the right. This right here is your bottle stop. That's what's your bottle's gonna set against when you're lining it up. And then you can see you adjust this setting for that gap right here. You loosen these two knobs on both sides, and there's rulers right here. There's a little mark on here you can see. Make marks on here to where you're set up. That way when you change bottles out, when you go back to this bottle, you can just go to those settings. I would mark it right here to where my label's height is going to be, and I would mark it right here. I would never move this bottle stop. I would never move this plate. And this is the only thing you're going to have to adjust for your different size bottles. And you adjust it on both sides, and they should be straight because they're straight containers. And that's basically all there is to the setup there. This is going to tell where your label height is, and you can adjust it higher by moving it left, lower by moving it right. This you can bring out for your larger diameters. You can pull it out more. If it's smaller diameter, go in a little more, but you need an 1/8 inch gap right between there.